guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine and today we are installing another wig from LUVME Hair. You already know the deal. As you can see, this wig is like a very light blondie brown color. It has lots and lots of curls and the lace is very see-through. As you can see, I did not pluck this lace or bleach it or anything like that because frankly I feel like I didn't need it. A lot of times with curly hair I feel like it doesn't need as much finessing because the curls kind of overpower it anyway. But y'all, at first I was not feeling this wig. Like, I put it on my head and I was like, wait a minute, I feel like I look like a mad scientist. Like, what is this vibe? What is it giving? I was so confused. So I started to just kind of play with it and I took a wax stick and kind of pushed it all to one side because I wanted to give it like that pushover effect. Like on the website how she was wearing it, I was like, I'm gonna try to do that. So I kind of did that. So we look a little crazy right now. I literally look like I got electrocuted, but we move. So I am just taking some scissors and an eyebrow razor, and we're just cutting the lace. And yeah, this is a full frontal lace wig. All the specs of this unit will be in the description box down below, along with links and a discount code so you guys can save some money when you guys shop LUVME Hair as well. Now I'm just taking some water and just spraying on the hair so we can like weten up those curls a little bit so I can kind of mold them to look how I want them to. Now I'm just taking some mousse and I'm gonna put that in my hair as well to kind of make those curls be a little bit more defined and not so like dry, because I don't really want like the dry look. I'll show you guys how the hair looks in like its wet form, like if you were to just keep it like wet and have that type of look. And I'm also gonna diffuse it to show you guys how the curls looked once they're a little bit more voluminous and I just dry it out a little bit. And I'm just using my hand to like kind of scrunch it and form those curls that are framing my face, because I want those ones to really pop, the ones obviously that are like framing my face. Not so much in the back. I kind of really love like a voluminous like frizzy look almost, so I wasn't tripping about those, but the ones that are going to be like hanging over, I do want those to be very defined. Now, as you can see here, I'm just taking my diffuser and putting it on my blow dryer. I was having a hard time for a second. And we are just gonna get ready to blow dry this hair. So as you can see, this is how the hair looks wet. So you could wear it like that if you kind of like that look. I guess it depends on the day whether I would like that type of look or not. But I'm just taking the diffuser on medium to high heat, and just diffusing my hair all throughout so that it can give it some more volume. And you will see what it looks like in a little bit. And voila, we are done diffusing the hair. And as you can see, this is the hair completely dried. Like, I would say the roots in the back might be a little wet, but for the most part, all of the hair was dry. And I feel like it looks so much cuter than how it started. Like, y'all, I was giving mad scientist in the beginning. I was so nervous about this wig. I was like, I don't know if I can make this work, but I feel like I made it work. I feel like it looks really cute, really like easy, simple. The color is pretty. And yeah, make sure you guys check out the links in the description box down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.